Look at the difference in those tires. It's crazy. You just finagling down there?
Yep. Well, the first thing.
The tube is still good?
Yep.
Nice.
And then I'll always air it up before I put the tire back in to be sure that the tube is still good, so I don't have to take the wheel completely apart again. Put the valve in first and then put the rest of the tube in. So I'm going to try and not twist up the tube too. And then making sure the tube isn't going to get pinched. Huh? Right here. I always do that first, and then just out of. I wouldn't do this with the off-road tire, but this is street tire. They have pretty tight beads.
Why do you spray it?
So I can do this.
Huh?
So it's not pinching the tube.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit, not too slippery.
I need to just move over.
What's up? No.
No. Just say. Just have to get it off the ground so it's not pushing on the back bead.
Ooh, there it goes.
We get that.
Yep.
It's always 1,000 bucks.
Does it need to pop again?
This is a high pressure tire. This one goes 45 to 55 PSI.
Whoa, what?
It's hard rubber, huh? It's actually not too thick. Or too.
That's crazy. High PSI tire, 45 to 55?
And I'm doing this to press the bead on evenly around the outside.
I think you're right, man, about the CST and that tire for like rain riding. I think the CST has to be more grippy than that, right? It just has to be. Like that's such a hard.
Yeah, because this is kind of keeping the water trapped in there.
Yeah.
It does wick it on these far sides, but in the center it's.
And well, the rubber itself is just like firmer. It's not
Yeah.
as grippy. Yeah, I think I agree with you on that.
Guys, said it was a double version of that new Abrams, the torque and the high speed.
Oh, really?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
They're releasing new
It's either,
information.
it's either that one or the Commander.
You don't like the
It's
King?
either that one or the Commander.
You don't? You're passing on the King song because of the suspension. Douglas, are you passing on the King song because of the suspension?
No, I'll try it out, but yeah, I guess, yeah, because currently I don't like suspension.
Motorcycle suspension.
Right. It's at 45 PSI. It's weird.
What do you
And
have?
it,
45.
and it has.
Is that what's supposed to be it?
It's at 45 to 55 PSI tire.
Okay.
I know those are like 46 better number. Those are like.
Depends who's riding. The way he rides, he would want higher PSI, so it's more nimble.
Should you put goo in there?
That might feel
Can you
really
put goo in
squirrely
there?
for, like,
What?
someone new, like-
Oh, is there already goo in the?
Yeah, there's already given the two from last time. I've already done it for you.
Yeah.
No, he's new to that wheel.
Can you tell when you touch it?
Yeah, when you let out air, it kind of squirts out a little bit.
Yeah.
Really high pressure, so it's really squirrely.
Oh, I know. But it's a smaller tire, it holds more pressure.
Well, Jen, you definitely sell that wheel for at least $1,000 now. $1,100, you know?
Well, if